In this video, we are going to see the topic of copyrights in the fashion industry, what they do and how it affects designers and customers. Designers devote substantial time and money to developing distinctive and original designs in the highly competitive and innovative fashion industry. However, it has become harder for designers to prevent copying their works due to the accessibility of information and internet platforms. Copyright laws apply in this situation. The function of copyrights in the fashion business and how they impact designers and customers will be covered in this blog. What are the advantages of copyright registration? Designers and inventors might gain more advantages by registering their works for copyright. It creates a concrete record of ownership in the public domain, which is crucial for safeguarding their original works against future plagiarism. Designers may more readily establish their original work with a copyright registration, which is important when defending their rights in court. The ability to sue infringers and demand restitution is also granted by registration. Copyright registration is a quick and easy online process in India, saving both time and effort. Designers who accept online registration can effectively protect their work without tedious paperwork. This enables individuals to concentrate on their creative endeavors while making sure their creations are safeguarded. The various copyright types in the fashion industry. Design and artistic copyright are the two copyrights used in the fashion business. The general look of a product is protected by design copyright, whereas the original artwork utilized to create the object is protected by creative copyright. It is crucial to remember that copyright protection does not apply to generic or practical designs, only to original and distinctive designs. Stay updated on our channel to enrich your knowledge in law and grow more.